right, we should be able to get through this one pretty quick. How to download and install custom brushes within Adobe Photoshop. So first thing you're going to need, of course, is some brushes that you want to install. So in my case, I went over to brusheezy.com and just did a search for some paint brushes for a project that I'm working on. So they have pay ones, and then they also have a selection of free ones. So I'm going to try one of the free ones. So I'm just going to grab this and download. Keep in mind, you can go wherever you can find free brushes from or paid brushes. This just happens to be where I'm getting mine from. All right, you'll have an option of save the zip file, hit OK. I'm going to go over to my downloads folder, which is where that's saved. Right click on the zip file and extract it. So now I've got those brushes, 20 painter brushes, that's what I want. Okay, now that I've got the brushes, go back into Photoshop. In Photoshop, you're going to want to go up here to where your brushes are, and you want this one. Hit the little down arrow, and you'll see you've got this wheel over here. Click on that, and you have an option of import brushes. Self-explanatory. Click on that. Go to wherever it was you saved your brushes. In my case, that's my download folder. Click on it. Select the brushes. Notice that it's the ABR file type. Hit load. And all of those brushes are now in here. So back in here, if you notice when I scroll down, 20 free painter brushes, and I can select whichever one I want. Let's just grab one really quick and paint it over. Whoops, it's very large. And there we go. Now I have that painter brush. And that's it. It's a pretty quick and easy thing to do in Photoshop.